Click on File and Open. Select Image and click on Open. Unlock the layer. Enlarge the image. Select Magnetic Lasso tool. Click once time and drag your mouse near the edges. Drag it carefully. Lastly, click on the starting anchor point. Press Ctrl+J. Select Rectangle tool and make a rectangle. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Decrease the opacity. Press Ctrl+T, right-click and click on Distort. Right-click and click on Warp. Follow the process. Increase the opacity. Double-click on Rectangle thumbnail. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Follow the process. Duplicate the layer 1. Move it up. Right-click and create clipping mask. Change blend mode of the top layer normal to multiply. Again, make duplicate. Now change blend mode multiply to screen. Click on Image, Adjustments and Levels. Adjust the brightness. Press OK. This is the final result. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.